Very good morning, dear students. Let us proceed. Chapter number 11, Festivals and Celebration. In this chapter, we will cover the following topics: national festivals, religious festivals, and special occasions. Festivals are a time of fun and joy. India is a big country. It is known as the land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in the different part of our country. Let us learn about some national and religious festivals. National festivals. Some festivals are celebrated by people all over the country. These are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These 3 days are also national holidays. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated every year on 26 January. India became a republic on 26 January 1950. The President of India takes a salute at the Grand Parade in New Delhi and hoists the national flag. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15th August to celebrate the day India got freedom from British rules, which was on 15th August 1947. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in New Delhi. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated every year on 2nd October. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Religious festivals. India is the land of many religions. People of different religions have special days which they celebrate as festivals. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is celebrated by the Hindus. People decorate their houses with lights, diyas, and candles. They pray to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. They wear new clothes, light diyas, and exchange sweets and gifts with friends. Dashera. Dashera is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. Lord Ram killed Ravan on this day. Effigies of Ravana are burned on the 10th day. Guru Parv. Children, Guru Parv is the religious festival of the Sikh. It is celebrated to mark the birthdays of Sikh Gurus. People decorate their houses with lights and offer prayers and services in Gurudwaras. Christmas. Christmas is the religious festival of the Christians. It is celebrated every year on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. People decorate their houses with lights. They also decorate Christmas tree, and children believe that the Santa Claus gives them present on Christmas. Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramzan, which is the holy month of fasting. People go to mosque to offer prayers. They meet their family and friends and wish each other Eid Mubarak. Special occasions. Throughout the year, we have other celebrations as well. All such celebrations are about joy, laughter, and spending good time with family members, relatives, and friends. They are birthday parties and marriages. Birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday is the most memorable day in the life of every person. We celebrate our birthday as we were born on this day. We celebrate this day with family and friends with great pomp and joy. Wedding. It is great joy to take part in marriage party or birthday party. We meet many old friends there and make new friends. We celebrate along with the whole family members. People dance, sing, eat, and have lots of fun during weddings. This is all about the chapter. Thank you and bye bye.